Okay, so we've seen that if you have a metal with a non-metal, that gives you ionic bonding in principle. Two non-metals gives you covalent bonding. But the real important question is, why is it like that? What is it about a metal that makes it bond ionically with a non-metal, whereas two non-metals can bond covalently? So what's the underlying property is the question here. The underlying property that makes this decision, if you like, or that determines the kind of bonding, is what's called electronegativity. And you learned about that in the unit on periodicity. It was one of the properties we looked at. Electronegativity. It's a big, long, ugly word, and to avoid having to spell it out every time, we can just abbreviate it to EN, like that, and that's what I'm going to do from now on. Right, so I'm not going to write out the full word all the time. So we'll just call it EN, electronegativity. So this is the property that we have to look at if we want to decide what kind of bonding is present. The metal with a non-metal, non-metal with a non-metal rule is really just an abbreviation, a shorthand way of finding the kind of bonding. Really, to be really precise, you have to look at this. Right? You have to look at that number and make a decision about the number. So